Hi, this is Mikkel speaking. I just want to go through what I expect of you when I want you to set up a website, a WordPress website for me. One of the I've got this site right here, fashionate.se. This is the backend, and I am in the plugins section. I want you to add the following plugins. The plugin called 404 404 to 301. I want that installed and I want it to be active. It's gonna be a while, so please hang on. And I want it to be activated. And then I want Yoast. And it's important that it's the one with the traffic lights here. The other ones are, they're not necessary in order to what we want to do here. So if you could just install Yoast SEO, that'll be great. This plugin I want to activate it too. So once it's done installing, I want you to activate it immediately. And the third one I want you to add is this contact form called contact form 7. Oops, contact form 7. And it's the one with the volcano. And that too has to be activated. And that too is gonna take some time. There you go. Now it's active. First of all, once you've done this, I want you to delete Hello Dolly. It's a stupid plugin that we've got no use for, so please just delete it. Second of all, I want you to change this picture. Most of the themes you're welcome to change yourselves, but the thing is, when you do that, I want you to find a picture that's suitable for this. In this case, I would go to pixabay.com. This site is about fashion, so I would do a search for fashion. It has to look somewhat classy, so I think I would go with this one right here. In this case, it's not just fashion for men, it's also for women. So if we got this as the header picture, it will be okay. I'm gonna choose 19. I'm gonna choose a picture that's at least 1200 pixels wide. And I'm just gonna get rid of this captcha. And I'm just gonna transfer this to my desktop. And then I'm gonna go to Photoshop and open this picture that we just downloaded. And I want it to be 1200 by something. In this case, it might get difficult to to find the right perspective for this picture, but still, I'm gonna do this again, and obviously I'm not a web designer. I'm not that good when it comes to yeah, what the hell. We're just gonna crop it, and we're gonna save it for web as a PNG 8, and we just want the 1200, and we're gonna save it. We're gonna call it fashion front. Then we're gonna go over here, and in the appearance section we want to customize, and the header image we want to add the picture we just cropped, and that's actually fine. And then I want you to find a logo. We're just gonna save and publish this one right here. And crap, hang on. The logo, I want you to go over here too and try to see what you can find. We're gonna, instead of all images, we're gonna go search for vector graphics, and then I'm gonna go with fashion again just to see if we can get something to get lucky. I'm not sure what I'm looking for here, but this old yeah, camera might do the job for now. I'm just gonna download it. I don't need the big one, so I'm just gonna go with the small one. I'm gonna bring it over here, and I'm gonna go to Photoshop and find this, and I'm gonna crop it. You know what, I'm not gonna crop it first. I'm going to see, oh crap, wrong button. I'm gonna go with 32 by 32 pixels. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go with 120 by 120. And I'm gonna save for web. And give this a name. And then I'm gonna go over here and add this file that we found before right here. It's not the prettiest of logos. Actually, this is so ugly that I think I would just remove it, because if you press the picture here, you're gonna come to the front page anyways. So in this case, we don't want any logos. And after that, I want you to the site icon. I want you to insert this picture, and in this case, it's actually pretty important that you have chosen a vector graphic. As you can see up here, this is the result of this. Of course, you know that. Sorry about that. Okay. Next off, I want you to go to menus. Oh no, sorry, I was too fast here. I want you to go to pages, and I want you to add a contact page. I want you to publish, and in this contact module right here, there's this code right here that I want you to copy, and I want you to add to this page we just did over here. I'm not sure why it's doing this. Cool. After this, I want you to go to appearances and menus. This is a main menu, so I want you to add these two ones. You know what? I don't want you to add this. I just want you to add the contact. Save menu, and if we just go to the front end and update, you can see that this is the one we've done, the one page we just did. Now we got this contact form, and that's fine. Next off, I want you to get rid of all you can see here, but not the recent posts. So you're gonna go over here to widgets. We're still under the appearance and recent comments. I want you to delete it. I want you to delete the categories. I want you to delete everything in here but the recent comments, the recent posts, sorry. You can leave the search bar in there too. And then I want you to go to settings, because I don't want it to be possible to add comments to everything we do. Meaning that this hello world, this one right here, you have to delete that. I'm not quite sure how to do that in all the things, because it's not always the same. So for now, I just want you to make it so that you cannot comment on what we write. And that's basically it. If you got questions, of course, you're always welcome to contact me.